Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Pass app. First, download the Ford Pass app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing Ford credentials. Make sure you have your vehicle's VIN handy, as you'll need it to register your car within the app. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for the next steps. Now that you're logged in, it's time to add your vehicle. Tap the Add Vehicle option within the app and carefully enter your vehicle's 17-character VIN. The app will then display your vehicle's details for confirmation. Double-check that everything is correct before accepting the terms and conditions. This step links your specific Ford vehicle to your Ford Pass account, unlocking its features. With your vehicle added, the next step is to activate its connectivity. Start your Ford and ensure it's in a safe, parked location. The app will guide you through activating your vehicle's built-in modem. You'll then need to confirm this activation request directly on your vehicle's touchscreen display. This final confirmation establishes the secure connection between your app and your car, enabling remote features. Once connected, you can explore a wide range of Ford Pass features. Enjoy the convenience of remote starting, locking, and unlocking your vehicle from almost anywhere. You can also monitor your fuel levels, receive vehicle health alerts, and even schedule service appointments. Remember to check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other fantastic products to enhance your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.